Hey guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm gonna show you a particular Facebook group and you can replicate that type of Facebook group to promote your Redbubble store. And this is going to be really interesting because the thing is that this is something which works. Okay, this type of page or group you have to create on Facebook that is really going to work and that can really drive you some sales. Okay, so no one is going to show you how to do all this stuff. I'm showing you all this stuff in my videos. So definitely press the like button and smash the subscribe button. So now let's get started. Okay, I will be covering everything about the group. So for example, in the last video we discussed about the niche, how it is important that your Redbubble store should be there in a particular niche. Now let's jump and let's see one example of a group. Now you can see there is, this is an example of a group. Okay, the thing is that this group is all about funny animals and videos. Now all these people, they are not making all this content about funny animals, they are just taking some content from Reddit as well as from other platforms like Instagram or you can say like TikTok. Okay, and they are just posting very simple videos about dogs or dog memes or just the funny animal videos. Okay, in this group, and you can see this group is totally related to animals, and the people who are interested in this type of groups are the people who will be interested in something which some product which is related to animals. So if you are having a Redbubble store which is targeted to dog niche, then this type of group can be very beneficial to you. The same strategy can be applied to other categories or other niches in which you are going to create a Redbubble store. Okay, the thing is that now the first thing you need to understand is that creating a Facebook group is really very simple, and the thing is that Facebook is giving some extra push to the groups. Okay, and in this way there is a huge possibility that you can really make some awesome money out of it because Facebook is going to push your group. The first thing you need to do is to understand is that you just have to create one group on of yourself on Facebook. Okay, after that you just have to go to the search button of Facebook and find groups. Okay, so once you have found so many groups, what you can do is that you can just post something nice in this group like, hey, I also post dog memes, here's my group, if you are interested, do join. So this is the simple thing which you have to do. First, you have to create a group in a particular niche. After that, there are a lot of groups related to those niches on Facebook, and all you need to do is just go to those groups and post this type of stuff. Okay, and there is a great possibility that many of the people who are interested in that particular niche, for example here is dog, so I will go to other groups which are related to dogs and join them, and after that I will post that I also post some good funny videos about dogs. So I also provide this type of content in my group. So if you are interested, I will give the link of my group on that, and I will make a post in the another group, and in this way I will be driving some traffic to my own group which I have created on Facebook. In this way, day by day, working slowly, within 1 or 2 months you will have some significant amount of followers on one of your Facebook groups. And once you get some amount of followers, your Facebook is going to promote your group organically, and organically you are going to receive a lot of traffic and a lot of followers or a lot of members in your group, and in this way your entire group is going to grow. The thing is that, for example, here is a dog and the content type over here is about dog. You can see now the best t-shirts which you can sell in this group are t-shirts which are related to funny animals, funny dogs, funny cats. Okay, in the same way, you can make a cat group. In the same way, you can make any of the group, whatever niche you are in your Redbubble. That is the same niche related group which you have to create on Facebook. And then in this way it will take some time, as well as you can check out many other videos on Facebook which are available. Okay, you can check out many other videos which are available on YouTube, which will particularly teach you how to grow a Facebook group. Okay, watch those videos and invest some of your time, because in the long term, because this is a long term strategy, and this can really make you some awesome amount of money for a very long period of time. Not many people are doing this stuff, especially in the print on demand space. So there is a great opportunity for you, because less people are doing it, so you can just do it and start earning some decent amount of money with your print on demand Redbubble or shop. Okay, so this is going to be really something that can really help you to make some awesome money online. Do try this strategy, and this strategy works. Many of the people are doing it, but the thing is that this is very unsaturated. Not many people are utilizing traffic in this way, the power of Facebook groups. And the thing is that you don't have to spend any money. All you have to spend is a little bit of your time, and you can make a simple page just like this, and then you can provide your Redbubble shop link in the post. Okay, if someone has, so you can see here a website is given by these people about, so they are sending traffic to this website with this page. In the same way, you can send traffic to your Redbubble shop, creating very simple this type of page. Okay, so I hope you have got the entire idea, and you can check out a lot of YouTube videos which teach you how to grow a Facebook group. Just apply those strategies, and within a month you can really grow a very good Facebook group. And the thing is that Facebook is pushing groups, so you may also get organic visitors to your group, and in this way you will be having very good strategy and a long term asset that will make you sales for a very long period of time on Redbubble. So I hope you have understood the entire thing which I have told you in this video, and you are going to apply the strategy to your Redbubble store to make some sales for a very long period of time. I hope you have got some value out of this video. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching. And definitely you can check out some other videos and the entire playlist on my channel regarding all this different stuff which I teach on my channel, which is related to make money online, print on demand, as well as there is an entire print on demand playlist that you can check out. So definitely do check it out. See you in the next video.